It's a hot take, but a lot of these funding companies on here are actually owned by the mob. Now, what do you mean by that? Exactly what I said. Allow me to explain. So when a small business is looking for funding, they're depositing tens of thousands of dollars in the bank, maybe even, and they're like, hey, I want to expand. And they think they're about to get a loan. But because of the federal guidelines, where the federal government actually insures the banks, those guidelines are pretty rigorous. And that means that 80 to 90% of these applications from small businesses actually get rejected. That's because the bank is not a storehouse of money, it's a storefront for financial products. Financial products that are usually collateralized, meaning it's something safe like a mortgage, because they can take your house, or a car loan, because they can take your car. So even though a business has a great track record of deposits, doesn't mean they're about to get funded by a bank. So they take their rejected application, they go home, they look on Google, and then it's off to the Wild West. Corporate finance, alternative funding, it is a crazy place out there. And probably needs more regulation. So where does the schmafia come in exactly? I can't tell you how many times you have a client and basically meet them, they've already been funded by one of these organizations, and it's actually the saddest thing in the world because these companies, they borrow money and then they pay back everything or almost everything in interest, and right as they're about to pay everything off, there's a rug pull, and these companies are like, they disappear completely. They answer calls, they won't take their money. And the customer's like, please take my money, I want to be done with this. These companies will force the client into default. This is remarkably common. So they get dragged through the courts and sued for more than they even had originally borrowed. It's quite tragic, actually. And it happens way more than you'd actually think. So even though they might not be in organized crime, there is a really good chance that these financial influencers are just not telling you the truth. Maybe trying to take advantage of the fact that you didn't study this in school. Like maybe saying how to liquidate credit cards and it's actually not legal, not mentioning any names. So guys, follow me. I'm making a whole series on this stuff. And I'll see you in the field.